Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. I'm Robert Rubangakene, medical student at Good University. Today we will continue again with our learning on the basic skill in computer, that is computer literacy. Today I want us to learn something small about PowerPoint presentation where you're supposed to present your data or you a teacher want to project some of your information onto the screen and you're supposed to make them into PowerPoint. I want it to be easy for you right now and you learn how to make them. Now when you want to make your PowerPoint presentation, you come into the search bar here, then you click into the PowerPoint and it will bring you a display where you're supposed to choose is it the design you want in your presentation in the PowerPoint. Me, I'll select a blank space where it will bring me options of presentation where I have to choose. Uh, Here, when you come to the home, you get where the layout is, how you want your PowerPoint presentation to look like. The first one here is about like the title and the subtitle, but if I want it to be in a different format, I have the title slides, the title and the content, the section headers, and many others. There are so many compartments which contains different contents. I'll select title slide where I'll, at this point I'll put my title of my presentation. Let me start with today. Let me try like anemia. We shall learn about anemia and being presented by Robert. Put in a case, yeah, soon medical student Robert Rubangakene MBChB 1. This is my title and the person presenting. So if I want to put only my layout in the second page to be the title and the content, that will also come like that. Or I want it to be what? Only the title and like this. Here I can come back home and I create a new slide. So in my next slide, I want it to be the what, the title content and the title and the content which is there. So here I'll put like a definition of anemia. So when you put definition of anemia, it will bring a blank space here where you're supposed to define anemia. In a layman term, you can define anemia as lack of blood in the body. That is layman term. So when you define anemia, lack of blood in the body, lack of blood body due to blood bleeding or destruction or red blood cell. Yeah, basically that is how we can define anemia into a layman term. So in this, you can also choose to highlight and increase on the font size. Also choose the, the format you want it to be. You can decide. You choose any either of the two. There are so many calibri which is there. Then you choose the font size. You need it to be 24 or which one you choose. Uh, I can add on more new slide as I talk about another thing in the name here. Yeah, let me talk about the symptoms. Symptoms of anemia. So here we shall list the symptom of anemia, where we have fatigue, lethargy, where we have muscle cramp, where we have difficulties in breathing. Yeah, those are the few symptoms which you will have when you have anemia. Yeah, in this you can as well as highlight the word, the subheading. You put it into bold, or you want it to look in italic format so that it look different from the content. As well as here, you can highlight them and bold and put them into italic. Yeah, then you can also come here. You bold this, then you put it into italic. Uh, yeah, yeah, that is how you can make your PowerPoint presentation, which you can see with this example of 3 pages. It's enough for us for learning purpose. You have time, you can continue and add more of the slides. Then you come and save your PowerPoint. At this point, you are still saving for the first time. You can say you save as, and you select where do you want your PowerPoint presentation to be saved. Here, me, I will choose desktop, and in the desktop, you can decide where should be. Then you save, come and save here. So your work is being saved in your computer. When you want to look for it, you go to where you have saved it in the desktop, then you get your presentation. Thank you so much. Basically, this is what I prepared for you. Thank you.